We're just starting the process of ebonizing these cylinders. I started by testing the wood itself, and this is oak, red oak, and it has quite a bit of tannin in it. And it's reacting with this solution. Now the solution is very simple. It's just white vinegar and a steel wool pad. Now you immerse the steel wool pad in a container of white vinegar and leave it there for about 3 days. Take the steel wool out, and you can then strain this through a coffee strainer or a paint strainer. But before you put the steel wool in, it has some oils in it, so you can immerse this in some lacquer thinner, take it out, squeeze it, and let it dry in the sun, and that takes the oils out of it. So when you then put it in the white vinegar, you're not going to have a lot of rust. So this works really fast. So we started by doing the end just a minute ago, and as I put some on, and we're both going to do this. My trusty assistant here is going to do this, and you can see how fast it reacts. All right, so you want to kind of, you don't need to soak it, but it's nice to get a nice even coat. And any spot that doesn't react well, you could always go back and put some more on. Now what's happening is the vinegar is reacting with tannin in the oak, and the vinegar and steel is really a iron oxide. So we're going to take a nice even coat. If there's a spot that doesn't get dark enough, you could always recoat it. Since I tested the wood first, I realized that it reacted really well with the vinegar. If it doesn't react, you can make some really strong tea and soak it into the wood. And let's rotate this. All right, so any way you want it. So we're going to now do the other part here. So you can take this strong tea and soak the wood, and then when it dries, you want to resand it because the grain would probably be raised, and then you'll be ready to go. It's a great process. You can top coat it with almost anything. I'm going to top coat it with white bond polyurethane.